Right, so I'm calling this project tinyGame, and you'll see why in a minute. First things first, let's create a new Flash document, and I'm going to hit Control-2 to zoom out. Another thing that needs to happen is we need to make sure it's 800 by 600 and 60 frames per second. So hit OK. And by the way, you can also hit Make Default after you set that up. Unless you're on a student account, in some cases you'll just lose that information. But on normal computers, you'd be able to keep it. And next thing I want to do is Control-Shift-S. I'm going to save it. tinyGame map. So we're going to basically build the map. And the way we'll do that is we're going to use the grid to help us. So we hit Show Grid and then Edit Grid. And I also want it to snap to grid. And we made the screen 800 by 600, so if we made it 80 by 60, you can see now the grid has changed. But I actually want to make it a little larger than that. 160, that's 80 doubled. 120, double. So there's our big grids. Each of these is going to be a little tiny room. And so we need to grab the rectangle tool. And let's have a black stroke color and then no fill at all. So just click on the slash. And if this is set to 1, let's set it to like something thicker like 5. And then we'll just draw a square. And it should just snap right into place. Thanks to the grid. And then we can grab the whole thing. And if you hold Control, you can drag out a copy and then grab the corner and it'll pop into place. Drag out a copy, pops into place, and so on until we've covered the entire thing. And that is our map now. And we'll put little doorways and stuff here and there, and our little player will walk through them. So we'll add the player 1 in the next video.